Hi guys, my name's MJ. Welcome to Virtu Toys channel. Okay, yep, that's what you see in front of you. Quick spoon update. Quite a lot of spoon dropped recently. I do still have some of the older stuff, right? I just decided to just leave it in, and just start recording. So this is actually from INNO, the DC2, the old one. I still have it on display actually, which I'm gonna keep. I think after this video. Okay, that would be a Malaysia special exclusive model, released in 2019, I think. So this video, the main one I will want to talk about would be actually one model, and I'll cover street weapon as well. I'll try to do it as fast as I can. Okay, so the one that I just got very recently would be this model, the gray. If I'm not mistaken, the product name would be cement gray of their EG6. That's the thing. What I recall, pre-order this was under the brand of one model. However, when it came, right, the packaging, yeah, a little bit different from what I would expect. There's no one model name on this thing, so this probably has a little bit of story to it, and I'm not sure what is the story. Okay, right, so yeah, the packaging does not have the one model branding. Okay, so the previous one does have the one model branding, the spoon version, and also even the PANDEM blue version, right? This one, okay, they have since already quite a few different variants, and I couldn't keep up. There are just so many of them. But when I mean so many, I think maybe five. I have three of it with me. I'm guessing there's another white one for sure. That's four. So probably another two more that I don't have, and there is still some more in the pre-order actually. So you see, this packaging, right, has the one model packaging. Yep, front, back, one model website. Okay, underneath is actually the same. It's just that on the new cement gray, right, there is no one model branding on it. Okay, but no mistake, it is pretty much the same mold. Okay, the same set of rims, the 4-spoke, very nice. The same aftermarket brake lights. Okay, all right, so you can see from here the body, it's the wheels are somewhat separated from the body, so it should probably roll, right, but the front seems to be stuck. Okay, so this one has the Avant tire bomb, quite nice actually. I do quite like that flat gray. It does look quite nice actually. I don't need them to be gloss. No, I do quite like matte colors and a solid flat gray like this. I think this is actually very, very nice. Okay, and you see how it reflects lights, just nice. Okay, so this would be the PANDEM EG6 from one model. So I can't recall if I already showed you the spoon, so just a quick recap. Okay, I know if I recall correctly, probably I've already shown you the white. Sorry, because I want to rush some of these videos out. I want to very quickly show you some of these EG6 Hondas, especially because I do get inquiries on, I want to see Honda, I want to see EG6. So yeah, that's why I thought, okay, I think this would be a good chance to record this in 4K, and so that you can see the details. Okay, so this would be the spoon, and then the blue with the carbon fiber door. Okay, mine has a missing side mirror. Though not sure when it dropped out actually. Okay, so it has the official Rocket Bunny website printed here as well, tra-kyoto.com. Okay, so I really do like the aftermarket tail lights. Okay, all right, so that would be the one model PANDEM EG6 models. Okay, all right, and then okay, before we get to this in the background, right, the street weapon, maybe I want to do a quick show. Oh, look at that, I have something at the back. Okay, this would be the recent release from GCD. Okay, this would be number 103. There we go. box number 103. You can see it, the huge ass box. So mine is a little bit damaged, that's why I decided to open it up to check as well, because the thing about GCD, right, I don't have very good experience with their products, especially this this transporter. There are quite a few of them that came through my hands, right, that has QC issues. Okay, but anyhow, I've actually went through this casting before already, but just thought I want to show you quickly the spoon version. So this is actually quite nice. Quite a few of the variants already. I know at least plain white, which comes with the Porsche decal. Red comes with Ferrari. The Blackbird grey version, and then the Gulf that comes with the Gulf colors that comes with the Gulf sticker, and then the Avant version, which is the I think it's Singapore exclusive. And I did see another one on pre-order right now, the Avant again. I don't know what's the difference. Then I think there are even more. Oh, there's the Scania version with the transparent door. I do have that, but yeah, if you do want to see a review on that particular version, right, do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so most of these things, right, you're gonna stay even more up to date, right? Follow because this is where I hang out most of the time. Do look them up on Facebook. Okay, Collectors Cube, that's QUBE. In the meantime, hit that like button, okay, because that will help me out in the YouTube algorithms. Okay, so let's go straight to it, right? As usual, it comes with a scoop, and then with the support pillars, which you need to install separately, but I'm just gonna shortcut. So interior wise, it's white. Okay, so this one goes up, so pretty much it's the same casting. So I'm not gonna really go through them. I'll just put a link into the previous releases where I do actually cover them quite extensively within one video. Okay, alright, so this one, maybe I'll just show you the back as well to entice you to go and see the other video. Okay, oh man, damn, I love it. Okay, look at that. So it stands all the way out. So this is not supposed to fall out. Yeah, I see. I do have QC issues with my GCD stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this aside. So this one opens both ways, so it has that gull wing. Oh, look at that, very nice. Just very unfortunate, the execution, the QC, it's a little bit problematic. Okay, so that's the product review on this one. Okay, I do quite like the chrome base for this transporter. I do quite like that. Okay, I'm just gonna park it aside while we check out the rest, right? We have to check out the rest. Okay, so street weapon. Now street weapon, I think the one that I don't have, I believe I'm up to date. The one that's not displayed here, right, would be the yellow with the carbon hood, the black hood, and the red that comes with the bicycle accessories rooftop rack. Okay, so that is not in this video. I do have it somewhere behind. Yeah, I thought I'll just do a quick video, and rather than spending time go dig for it, right? The stuff at the back there is piling up, so I gotta find time to do some clean up, to organize the things. So this one, street weapon, packaging wise, yeah, you don't see the Honda sticker anywhere, and you have the Civic logo EG6 underneath as well. Okay, so this one comes with a decal pack. I did not know that. Okay, let's see. So it has that black hood, two black hoods. I'm just gonna make a guess, probably one is carbon fiber and the other one is not. Nope, both is the same. Okay, I love my Civic. I love Honda. Spoon, Civic, the Avant logo, more spoon logo, and the number as well. Okay, so the blue comes with a sticker pack. That's nice. This one, I believe it's a water slide decal. Okay, so I do have a tutorial on how to handle water slide decals. I think I'll put a link in the description below later. Okay, you can check it out after this video. Okay, I have number one. limited edition number 1 of 500. So only 500 pieces was made. Okay, let me get it out of the base. So I received mine like this. The rest, I do have a couple of extras. The rest are sitting perfectly straight, but this one, okay, just gonna place it. 2 screws. I think the back screw didn't go in, so hang on, let me just get it out. Probably the single screw in front, I will be able to remove this piece. I guess this is another QC problem unit. On the car it looks fine though, so you can speed up this video. You have to sit there and watch me unscrew this, right? Aw, damn, not far enough. Yep, the back screw just fall off without me unscrewing it. Just gonna keep everything together. It's just really a little bit annoying with double screws. Makes it a little bit more challenging. Okay, so this would be the blue. Oh, it's a collaboration with Ghost Player. I don't think the previous ones are. I can't recall now. Okay. Alright, so this would be the blue. It will look quite nice with all the decals on, I guess. Okay, very nice skirt in front. That's a single piece together with, yep. Is it a single piece or is it a separate piece? Because it is actually quite nice. Just gonna zoom in and focus. The front skirt, very nice. Is it the same? Yes, it's the same. Okay, so it appears on the previous releases. Okay, I do quite like that detail. It's done quite nicely. Alright, so side view has the roll cage inside. Still the same, pretty much. I think it's the same casting as before. Okay, muffler. I do quite like the tow hook at the back here, like that. So this would be somewhat more stock looking, basically a basic spoon body kit, compared to one models that would be a PANDEM, full-on PANDEM wide body kit, right? Okay, so this would be the blue. Comes with a set of decal. That's nice. It yep, it rolls. Just gonna zoom out. Yep, it rolls. Okay, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, then we check out the spoon. So there's always a slightly different shade of yellow and blue for every different brand. So we're gonna do a very quick comparison. While I take this out of the packaging, right? A quick shout out to what's the tape doing there? Quick shout out to the figure accessory makers that I have in here. Cast Factor. I have Monster Miniature. I have Legit Miniature. There's Yanzai miniature as well. What else? OXI miniature, Milas Equipment miniature as well. Milas Equipment Malaysia. Who else do I have here that I haven't shout out? I think I got everybody. Okay, and also Chef the Diorama maker. Right, so all these are actually available through Collector's Cube. You can look them up on Facebook, or you can check their website as well, www.colcube.com, colqube.com. Okay, so basically, this has a running number. Okay, so this is a running number, slightly different. So this would be 1,000 pieces. This number is 724. Okay, because what I recall, the rest of them do not have running number. And again, this is 2 screws. Yeah, very annoying. very annoying. I hate double screws on a diecast. It's really annoying on resin, but I kind of made my peace with resin because it's resin. So I didn't ask why, but I just accepted it. But come on, diecast with 2 screws, it's just annoying. Hang on, almost got it out. Okay, there we go. Got it in. I do quite like that when I drop the screws in, right? It does sound like I've just pulled out bullets from somewhere. Performing surgery, right? Okay, So, oh, okay. That's a very nice yellow on camera actually, with the lightings. Okay, yeah. You tell me. I'm only okay with this casting. I think it looks only okay. I I I don't have a TLVN version in hand to actually compare. Can you imagine actually when TLVN made the EG6s, right, I haven't started collecting premium. I was still collecting Hot Wheels at the time. I don't think I collected any TLVNs yet right at that moment. Basically, I moved on. I moved up from moved out from not really moved out. I was pretty much a brand collector from Hot Wheels and a little bit of Matchbox and a little bit of the normal Tomica. But I did not touch any premium ones. My first premium ones would be TLVN, those GTR box sets. I'll see if I got chance to. If we have enough requests, right? Maybe I should cover the box set GTRs that I have, right? Okay, nice. Actually, not bad. Color is not bad, but I'm just not a fan of the body because if we can we compare spoon and spoon, you see the shade of yellow is different. That's the thing. I don't know which is the true brand color. I don't know if both actually applies. Okay. I can only tell you the difference. See the blue how it joins up to the yellow, right? Both done it differently. I don't know which is more accurate. Okay, I don't know which is the correct yellow as well. Okay, the spoon side view. Alright, so this one the blue goes much further than the one model version. Okay, then we go to the back. I kind of prefer, you see how, but the one model is it is a different casting. It is a wider, it's a wide body, but you do see, I don't know, I kind of feel that the one model version taillights and headlamps, the proportion is closer to the real thing. Okay. I do quite like that Street Weapon actually has it has the disc brake. And it doesn't turn together with the wheels. That's nice. Yep, there's a disc brake in there. Blue in color. You can see the caliper. Okay, at the back everything, it's stuck. But basically everything kind of turns together, I guess. Is it? That's nice. That's nice. The back, I can't see the caliper. Where is it? I think it's there. It's just the color is not so obvious. That's why, yeah. One model, no calipers at all. The spoon version don't even roll. Okay, that's what I can report. All right, so I guess I have all covered. I guess I have all of them covered. Okay, so from the first wave, there would be the white with the black hood. Just a quick show. Okay, because recent weeks there has been quite a crazy number of new arrivals and I'm starting to lose count. There's just so many brands. Okay, this would be the white, and let me show you the chrome as well. This one is actually quite interesting. Full chrome car. Man, can you imagine driving this on the road? It's like having flashbang, you know, when the sunlight or whatever lights reflects back at you. It's freaking crazy. Cool. Alright, so there, I do hope I got you guys up to speed with the one model EG6 and also the Street Weapon EG6s. Okay, let me just adjust the camera a little bit. Alright, so yep, that's it for this time around. Do look me up over on Facebook as well, Collector's Cube. That's where I spend my time doing Facebook Live. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so that I don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. If there's any other cars that you want to see, do let me know as well. I'll see if I have them. I will try to cover them for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.